Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're creating a colorful winter pine forest, a peaceful landscape that focuses on layered trees, contrast, atmospheric depth, and expressive color combinations. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by squeezing out small amounts of gray, titanium white, and lamp black directly onto your canvas in the pattern shown. Using a slightly damp large flat brush, start blending the colors from top to bottom using a mix of horizontal and soft crisscross strokes. Take your time with this step. There's no need to rush. Simply enjoy the calm rhythm of blending these tones into a soft winter gradient. Re-wet your brush when needed and continue blending until the background feels smooth and misty. Next, load a small flat brush with a mixture of gray and white. Begin painting a pine tree in the upper right portion of the canvas. Start at the tip and gradually widen the shape downward, forming a cone. Use gentle tapping motions to build the foliage and allow the branches to feel natural and uneven. Using the same technique, paint another tree beside it, slightly lighter and more faded. Continue creating a loose arrangement of trees, gradually decreasing their size as you move back in space. Vary the gray to white ratio so some trees appear more prominent while others softly recede into the background. Add a touch of black to your gray and white mixture and paint a few darker trees to create contrast. Alongside them, add another lighter tree using more white, maintaining the same tapping technique for consistency. Now mix a touch of gray into magenta and begin painting a few colorful trees in the middle ground. Keep these slightly softer than your foreground trees so they blend naturally into the scene. In the left foreground, add a few larger black pine trees to create depth and framing. You can also include a white tree among them for balance and contrast. Move to the middle right area and paint several pine trees using turquoise mixed with a small amount of black. Continue layering trees with the same tapping method, alternating between darker and lighter variations to maintain visual interest. Mix burnt sienna with a small amount of black and paint additional trees along the right corner of the canvas. Keep adjusting the spacing and height so the forest feels organic and varied. As you complete the scene, focus on balancing color and contrast. Layer darker and lighter tones thoughtfully to create dimension and atmospheric perspective. Continue layering trees with the same tapping method, alternating between darker and lighter variations to maintain visual interest. Use gentle tapping motions to build the foliage and allow the branches to feel natural and uneven. Continue creating a loose arrangement of trees, gradually decreasing their size as you move back in space. Take your time with this step. There's no need to rush. As a final step, use a liner brush loaded with black paint to add a few small flying birds in the sky. Step back, make any final refinements, and allow your painting to dry completely. Thank you for painting with us today at Acrylic Arts Academy. We can't wait to see what you create next. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. If you'd like to become a channel member, you can tap the Join button below this video to unlock fun perks like member badges, custom emojis, and member shoutouts. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.